Then we have something I call a V17, which is a 17th version of trades that I ran through. And this is what I call a slightly bullish position. It's essentially does extremely well in low implied volatility, which is most of the time. Most of the time your implied volatility is low. Most of the time the market's going up and we don't have these really hard down moves. If you take any 10-year period, most of the time is spent in that. So it makes sense to be in this type of a position. So this is a slightly bullish SPX broken wing butterfly trade that's virtually impossible to lose in sustained up moves. If you have an up move, the trade's going to win. It's got an extremely high win rate. It's almost the same as the version 14. It historically has winning streaks of up to 3 years, but when it loses in groups of 2 to 4 trades. It has a significantly higher long-term yield than the version 14. It returns almost at least 50% more, maybe double of what 14 might do. It is slightly more management intensive. It's slightly lower long-term win rate than the version 14.